You can't see it, you can't smell it, and you can't taste it, but carbon monoxide can be deadly. And this is why the Siterwell plug-in carbon monoxide detector is such a must-have. It is compact, it's portable, and is going to protect you at home, in hotels, RVs, and even while camping. Now, inside of the box, you're gonna find the carbon monoxide detector unit with its foldable AC plug in the back, as well as the built-in 10-year battery that is gonna be used as a backup, and you're also gonna get a user's manual. And right away, you can tell that the size is pretty small and is very portable, so you can just put it into a book bag and take it on the go. So if you're staying in hotels, in an RV, or even camping outdoors, this is powerful enough to deliver life-saving alerts. Now, the design is small, simple, and very minimal, and all you're gonna be able to see is this test button over here and the LED indicator, which is going to show you the status at glance. Now, the green means it's normal operation, the yellow indicates a fault or low battery warning, and the red signals a danger carbon monoxide level. And there's also a soft breathing light, so even if you're sleeping, it won't disturb you, and even if the alarm goes off, a one-touch silence button gives you a temporary relief without disabling the protection. And when it matters most, the 85 decibel sound is going to wake you up just in case there is an emergency, because it's as loud as a car horn. And so let me test it for you. That is pretty loud. You can't hear it through the microphone, but that is pretty loud. Now, connecting it and using it is extremely simple. It's just pretty much plug and play. Insert the backup battery into the device, unfold the AC plug, connect the detector into a standard 120 volt wall outlet. There is no tools and no drilling required. And a green light is going to confirm that it's working and protecting you. Now to test the device, again, you can just press the test button over here for a few seconds. And you can see the LED that's flashing, indicating that everything is working properly. So even during a power outage, the backup battery is going to ensure that you stay protected. Now, some of the features more in depth, the plug-in protection works instantly with a 120 volt outlet, and it kicks in seconds just in case any power outage with the battery backup. The advanced electrochemical sensor, the professional grade accuracy to detect carbon monoxide from sources like faulty heaters, fireplaces, boilers, or running vehicles. The 85 decibel alarm is loud enough to alert you and your family right away. The 10-year lifespan with the battery backup, that is reliable protection for a decade even when the power is out. The breathing light with silence mode, the portability, compact, lightweight, and travel ready. You can take it from your home to a hotel, the room, dorm, RV, or tent. Now, here's why you need a carbon monoxide detector at home, especially if you have kids and pets, because you can't see it and you can't smell it, but it's definitely dangerous, and even a small leak can make your kids and your pets really sick without the warning. You can get headaches, nausea, or just feeling tired overall, and that could be the carbon monoxide that you wouldn't even know it. That's why having the carbon monoxide detector, it's a no-brainer, especially when the little ones and the animals are in the house. They breathe faster than adults and they get affected quicker. A detector gives you the early warning before anything gets serious. So the Siterwell carbon monoxide detector, it is the peace of mind that you need because it combines the ease of use, a travel-ready portability, and a 10-year lifespan that is going to protect you for a long time. Whether you're at home, you're traveling on your next road trip, it's so small yet so powerful, it's the safeguard that you need to fight against the invisible danger. So stay safe wherever you go, protect your family, protect yourself and your home with the Siterwell carbon monoxide detector. It's convenient, it's compact, and is built to save lives. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.